Are you a student in any tertiary institution in Nigeria, a sit-at-home mom, or even have a job, but you are looking for a way in which you can use to turn your social media handle into a money-making machine and you don't know how to go about it? Then worry no more. My name is Basi Ejwa John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and also that you can also help me grow. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can turn your social media account into a money making platform with these three simple apps, websites that you have been seeing, website and also an app that you have been seeing online but you don't know how to go about it. And on the screen, the first website you can see here is known as Freebies, spelled on the screen. This is Freebies, and with Freebies you can earn up to 10,000 naira daily by just posting on social media. Yeah, it is a social media job, and as you can see here, it says welcome to Freebies. That Freebies was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You can use Freebies to answer survey questions. You can play games on Freebies and install applications to make money online daily. And also, as an advertiser on Freebies, you can use it to hire many clients and workers to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Twitter. And if you are new to my YouTube platform, I also made a video where you can use to increase your Instagram likes within 10 minutes free of charge. That means you're not paying money to increase your Instagram likes. You can check it in my recent videos. And continuing on Freebies, how Freebie works is just you sign up. When you sign up, you get a referral code and you make 250 naira on every referral. You earn and you cash out. You cash out directly to your bank account. So as you can see here on the screen, make money, contact, as you can see here, register. So you can just click on this particular aspect to register on Freebies. And when you register, you put in your social media account and you start sharing posts to your social media account. For every shared post, for every work done on Freebies, you tend to make a huge sum of money up to 10,000 naira daily. And secondly, as you can see on the screen, the second platform is known as Hawkit.ng. Hawkit.ng is a platform that you get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media platform. And as you can see here, it says create a free account. That means you can just create a free account on Hawkit and start making money. It says earn daily income by posting adverts and performing simple social tasks for top businesses and brands on your social media account. This particular Hawkit.ng is you just post, you start posting. When you see a job, you share it to your WhatsApp status, you share it to your Facebook post, to your Instagram, and to your Twitter, and you make huge amount of money by posting stuffs daily on your social media account. And you can see the amount of members on Hawkit. You have up to 200,000 members, 50,000 advertisers, and almost 10 million plus app views and things advert views. And as you can see, this is how you can make money on Hawkit. It says you get people to post your advert on their social media and stuffs like that. So these are some of people's earning on Hawkit. As you can see, these are some of people earning on Hawkit. Someone earned 50,000 naira on Hawkit just by performing taxes. It says experience the power of viral advertising and stuffs like that. So as you can see, guys, this is how you can earn on Hawkit.ng. You advertise and people share in your advert link to the social media account, and you pay them for sharing your link, and you that is sharing the link, you get paid for just sharing. So guys, this is how you can earn on Hawkit.ng by turning your social media platform into an account, into a money making machine. And as you can see here, you see where to sign up today and you start making your money. So that is it for Hawkit.ng on how you can make money on Hawkit. And on to the last one on the list. Please guys, if you watch this video to this very minute, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can also come to my YouTube channel and feel valued, and so that I can also grow. The last platform and the last site is known as Naira Worker. Naira Worker is a place where you perform simple gigs, that is small gigs, and you have a big result. Naira Worker is a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and business owners. You can click in on the learn more on their user dashboard in order for you to have more information on how Naira Worker work about. And you see that Naira Worker is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform where they connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. Through the marketplaces, as a client, you can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social networks, you writing, testing websites, data entering, downloading, etc. stuffs like that. And you can use it to make simple money online in Nigeria, because the works of Naira Worker is to make money making online to be very easier and simple for an average Nigerian. And as a business owner, you can come up here and you post a job where people sign up to your website, people watch your video, people help promote your content, install your mobile apps, subscribe to your YouTube channel and stuff like that. And also as a freelancer or as an individual, as a student, as a mom, as a house mom, or as a person who have a work self, you can also come here and you work on your own flexibility. You work anywhere and you work anytime. You will take a survey, you will write an honest review, you will test an app, you follow on social media, and that is how you work on Naira Worker. As you can see some proofs on the dashboard where people earn a lot of money. So guys, this is how you can earn money in Nigeria by just performing surveys and turning your social media account into a money making machine where you log in daily to make up to 5,000 to 10,000 naira on your own flexibility. If you feel value through this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.